Hi guys, how you doing? Hopefully all is well with you. It's Kevin here. Don't usually jump on this time of the year, but I just did want to jump on to let you know about this wonderful course that Mary Smith is putting on in relation to helping you grow your organic reach on Facebook and without spending money on ads, which is a really good one. And the reason why this is so powerful is because I don't know whether you know about this or not, but Facebook over the period of time is becoming increasingly more expensive with their ads. And as a result, if you're a business owner and you want to save money, this is the perfect solution for you. The other thing is, too, you may have noticed the marketing reach on Facebook is depleting. It's going down very rapidly. So let's say, for example, that you post something to your Facebook wall and you think that it's going to reach about 100 people. In fact, it's not. It's only reaching about 5 people for every post that you put out there organically. But there is strategies and tips and techniques to help you overcome that situation. And Mary is one of those people that can help you do that. Now, Mary's been in the industry for a long, long time. She only specializes in Facebook. She's been asked to speak at Facebook. She doesn't work for Facebook, but she's been asked to speak for major corporations around the globe and around the world, huge audiences as well. So she really is kind of like the queen of Facebook when it comes to teaching these strategies in relation to organic growth and getting an ROI for your return on your investment. Now, I did go through the program myself. It is very comprehensive. There was a lot of changes that I didn't know about. There was a lot of ways to reach your customers that I didn't know about. So I'm implementing those strategies now within my own marketing and my own campaign as well. So rather than just rushing off to the next social media platform and saying, oh, Facebook isn't working, why don't you take a look at this program? Because if you jump off to, say, TikTok or something like that, which is really, really growing fast, you may not have your audience there. Now, your audience is very important to give you that laser targeted result that you're going after. And Facebook still today has a certain demographic of people who are in that age group. And you want to be thinking about this very carefully. Are you getting lots of clicks on another platform and not getting a lot of sales? Is your audience that you're going after there, do they have the finances to purchase your product or service? Do they have the income source to do that? For example, let's just take a quick example of Pinterest. Pinterest is a platform where people pin their things to their board, okay, basically, okay. But on Pinterest, there's a certain demographic of people who actually pull out the credit card and purchase products directly from Pinterest. So that is a difference maybe than a market that's looking at a load of short clip videos and not doing the same thing. So you have to be careful in relation to what you're doing. And the same thing is here with Facebook. If you can reach the people that you want to do without spending money on ads, it's going to be a real time saver for you. Now, if you're running your own business and don't have the actual time to input to this training program, what I suggest that you do is you actually have one of your staff do it, or you simply, I wouldn't outsource this because this is really just for internal, but definitely for one of your staff members. They can take over this, they can drive it, they can learn it, and obviously you can use that then to promote other products. So who is this good for? It'd be good for coaches. It'd be good for entrepreneurs, small business owners, people who really want to get ahead without spending that precious money that you may have on the advertising aspect of things. Now, saying that, advertising, it gives you data quicker, okay? And data can actually give you results quicker. So everything in balance here. With this here as well. But Marty, I know from maybe 10, 15 years ago being involved with my first mentor in line, which was Chris Farrell. And Marty was introduced through Chris on the program, and I knew it was absolutely fantastic. So this is a really good comprehensive program that you could actually implement into your own business, into your own life. Maybe you just want to learn about how to do it organically rather than paying for those ads. Highly recommended. So if you are struggling with this here, you can contact Mary and go through it. Okay, so it's she's very professional. She's very easy to get on. She comes on live sessions as well. So there is a special offer on this, by the way. So the special offer is to the 31st, I believe. But 7 p.m. Pacific time, you can get a discount from $450 down to $170. Sorry, the regular price is $597, and you can get it for $147, which is phenomenal. You can have a look through the page here. You can kind of go through what she's talking about, how to use the algorithm, how to get everything done for you. She has students that are getting anywhere from 25% organic to 250 organic reach, which is incredible as well. So she touches on things like paid advertisement if you want to do it, the advanced strategies. But for general use, this is a comprehensive program for sure. And you certainly would go no wrong by investing in it for sure. She touches on things here. Just put this down here a little bit here. Week 1, critical organic reach elements, mythbusters, research, metrics, goals. Okay, and week 2, how to publish the right content to build your loyal community, the foundations, the formula for success. Maria's 3-part evergreen module, CEC equals or. If you don't know what that is, you need to really figure it out. Again, the best performing content types for proven to work every day based on studies of over 100,000 Facebook pages. I mean, to go through this alone would be just insane to try and do it yourself. Mary Smith, 45 organic reach ninja tricks, which are very clever indeed. 45 proven tactics to get organic reach, okay, which is great. Quick results, if that's something that you're after, simply follow along and you're going to get that. It's simple and easy to apply most of these methods, but everything is shown to you step by step in no time at all. How to organize your Facebook videos, your lives to get maximum reach. Again, great strategies here with Facebook Lives, Facebook videos. She goes through the benefits of this and how you can utilize these as well. Deploying Maria's proven process to maximum conversion, amplify the process. Boost without paying. This is really where we want to get into that and maximize your reach. Week 6 is boost even further and takes it to the bank. Okay, this is where she goes through, touches on the Facebook fundamentals of Facebook ads, a little bit about that, but she's mainly talking about organic marketing on Facebook. Okay, campaign structure, audiences, she does a little bit on this. It doesn't go into a real comprehensive course on it, but it really opens your eyes. Okay, so what's included? The instant access to the Facebook modules is season 1. I've already got that. It's been comprehensive, very well laid out, and it's something that you could actually get your hands on because this is season 2 coming on. So not only are you going to get season 2, but you're going to get season 1 as well. All the recordings, the videos, tutorials, the scripts, everything else that's in there. Plus, you're going to get 6 live Facebook Live training sessions, get the spot coachings on seats, community support, lifetime access, and the satisfaction guaranteed as well to make sure that you're all up and running. And then she's got 4 bonuses here. Facebook Business Manager made easy. This is confusing for a lot of people because then you have Facebook Business Suite, and then you have Creative Studio and new page experience versus the classic pages, okay, in which they did. So you can see here heaps and heaps and heaps of testimonials and everything like that as well from people that have done it as well. So you can actually do an advanced training on Facebook ads if you want to do that as well. But the initial price for today, just what we've gone through, is pretty much covered here at $147. So go and grab it today. Any questions in relation to doing this, please feel free to ask. Kevin Kavanagh is my name. Signing out. Have a great day and bye for now. P.S. The link is below this video. And just to make things in relation to the FTC, this is an affiliate program. I will get some compensation in relation to it if you decide to go and purchase through my link. However, you can purchase from any link online. The thing is that you may not get the bonuses that I am giving to you for that. Okay, with that said, have a great day and bye for now.